Okay, hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Easy Rider 90, or as we're going to call it, a Honda Dax 90 Replica. Interesting things about this bike is that for the last about 17 years, it's kind of been sitting inside, obviously, and not had any mileage put on it. We had to take off you'll even see remnants of the blue kind of protection tape that covers the chrome on it. The engine hasn't even hardly been running. We did actually, there's 31 kilometers on the clock, and we've done all of those 31 kilometers just to make sure that the engine, all the gaskets, everything were okay, because when a bike's sitting that long, usually stuff like happens, so like that. But carb, oil, everything checked over on her. We're the ones that did the stickering on it. Makes the bike look a lot better. So essentially you're getting a brand new bike, and for the price that we're going to be putting it up at, I think it's a real bargain. To the person interested in this thing, I think it's brilliant. Fantastic for putting in the back of a camper van. These actually fold down as well. The handlebars itself, so they go underneath it, so that's good for getting into the back of even a hatchback. We had it in the back of to transport it down here. We've gone over brakes. The tires are perfect on it. There's absolutely no miles on it. It's a brand new bike you're getting essentially for a quarter of the price of what they cost new, and something that looks really cool as well in our opinion. So that's it for the Easy Rider or Honda Dax 90 Replica, and then move on to the visual inspection. Okay, and on to the visuals now. As I said, pretty much a brand new bike, so everything's really good. Front tire, front mudguard. This here is just from us actually transporting it. The front shocks are good, alloy, carburetor. The actual engine is a 90cc head. Exhaust is perfect. The frame. You see here's even remnants of the plastic over the bolts here. You'll see that throughout. That's someone else's job to go around peeling all that. We have all the genuine stickers though around the back here as well. We bought the genuine Dax sticker kit for it. So front headlamp, indicators, everything really nice. You've got 2 keys with her as well. Honda all the way through. Really nice. You got pillion pegs here at the back as well with the dual seat. You can get someone on the back of it. And with the 90 engine it should be okay. 2005. It's like I said, 17 years kind of sitting for its day for someone to give it a good spin. And there's a peg on this side. You do have the heat shield, so that's fine for your pillion passenger. Kickstart only. Really minty. Everything looking nice. So that's it for the Honda Dax 90 Replica, and now move on to the ride along video. Okay, we're away on our little Dax 90 after a few kicks. Clutch on this bike as well, which is nice. I always prefer the clutches on these. We'll find out if it's 3-speed or 4-speed now soon. We're in 2nd gear now. There's our little Thomas. I'm gonna turn out right here. Rear brake feeling nice. And again, I'm a bit of a taller individual. Bike still fits me fine enough. I mean, I find you can kind of fit yourself on anything if you try hard enough. Especially with a biker outside, so 4-speed, so there's 4 gears. That's nice. I'm not going to give it too much welly because the bike has only done 30 kilometers, so it's still kind of breaking her in and not going to rev the nuts off her. I've been told probably 80-90 kilometers an hour is the top speed of this thing. It's pretty much the same as the Honda 90 engine, so probably the same speed as a Honda 90 as well, 80 to 90 kilometers an hour top speed. But we'll flicker into 2nd here now. And we'll go into first and we'll do our turnabout. The little wheels are a bit bizarre, but it feels great. Really lovely little bike. And I mean, for the price that we're going to be selling it at, I think it is a bit of a bargain for someone out there who wants it to do a job for them. Fits a purpose. It's going to keep its value somewhat, you know, because, you know, it's just, there's never really going to do mega mileage, this bike, so mileage is always going to be low. It's exactly what people want. We did a bit of a bunny hop there. I was finding my gears. And we just keep our lid here all the way through. In our industrial unit, had a chat with him there about it. He was saying, what the hell is that? What's this? Oh geez, I love it. So getting stopped on the road already. We'll flicker into neutral. And get her situated here. That's it for the little Dax 90. Little engine, 4-speed. Nice little thing. We'll get a little video. It's look how small it is. And that's it. So if you have liked the video, do leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at RetroBikesDublin for Facebook, Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.